Hi everyone, my name's Ashley and welcome to my first ever long form makeup video. Yay! So today I'm going through a Lorelai Gilmore look based off a tutorial from Lila Childs. Sorry if I mispronounced that. And I did this look specifically because I went on the WB tour during the holidays to see the fake Gilmore Girls set. I'm pretty much a makeup beginner and I wanted to document different looks I'm doing and different things that I'm learning along the way. And if you'd like, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's get into it. First I started with the TIRTIR Cassis Plum lip stain to make sure the color gets in there. Then I fluffed up my brows with the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter and make sure to push them down after. I recorded this in the morning, so my husband made me breakfast. Thank you! No morning is complete without avocado toast and sriracha. I'm going in with the dual-ended brow blade, using the pencil first, then drawing hair-like strokes with the liquid. I'm using my brightening concealer shade, and I like to put it on the back of my hand and tap it out with a brush, then put it on my face so it doesn't end up patchy. I work in light layers and make sure to tap. I'll list all the products I use and the shades in my comments below. Now I'm setting with a powder foundation using a big fluffy brush on my T-zone. The eye look is pretty simple, but I'm going to start with eye primer to make sure I don't get too much creasing. Make sure to tap it out and blend. While the primer dries, I'm going to go in with my Patrick Ta She's Wanted blush. I'm only using the powder side for a more matte finish. Since this is a TV look, I'm sure they use more matte products to avoid shine. I did a vertical blush placement and used my concealer brush to blend out. My face is much rounder than Lorelai's, so I'm using a bit of contour around the cheekbones and my nose. For the eyes, I'm covering my lids with a lilac color. Then I packed a little bit of a deeper color in the corners and blended out together. I lined my lids ever so slightly with both a brown and burgundy gel liner. Then I went over those lines with the thinnest black liquid liner that I could find. Time to curl the lashes. My lashes are stubborn, so I'm going in with a primer before I put on my mascara. As we reach the end, I'm taking off my lip stain and then covering with a cherry colored lip liner, just all around my lips to define them. Then going on top with a nude lipstick to mix everything together. After that, I blot with a tissue and then blend everything with a brush. And that's it. We've reached the end. Here's the final look. I know my hair is really messy, but I was in a hurry. Here is a side-by-side comparison. I think I did a pretty good job of recreating the look, but I know I do not look exactly like Lorelai because obviously I'm an Asian woman and she's not. I had so much fun on the tour. Here's me with my Luke's coffee. Thank you so much for watching my first ever long form makeup video, and I hope to see you next time.